Howdy there, Nick from AZInsight. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to report a brand that you received an IP claim from on AZInsight. In AZInsight, the feature that lets you know if another seller has received a IP claim from a brand is called AZAlert. AZAlert can be found on the top of AZInsight and will show up as a meter icon. Once you hover your mouse over the meter icon, here you can see the brand name, the risk level that it's been assigned, the risk indicators, and the history of IP claims received from other sellers. On the bottom of this window, you will find a button that will allow you to submit an IP claim you received from this brand. Simply locate the button on the bottom that says, "Have you received an IP claim from this brand? Please click here." Once you click here, a new window will appear. Here, select the type of claim that you received, whether it was an IP claim, trademark infringement, cease and desist, or something else. Then select how you received the claim, whether it was through Amazon email, whether it was through Amazon's seller messaging system, or FedEx or other. Select the date that you received the claim, and upload some proof of the claim. A screenshot or a picture of the claim will be sufficient. Then on the bottom you can type in a small explanation and click submit. If you're viewing a brand that has not received an IP claim from any seller in our database, then simply click on the gray meter icon and then click on the button that says, "Have you received an IP claim from this brand? Please click here." Once you do that, a window will appear and you can fill in the form just as I showed previously in the video. And that about covers it for this video. If you have any questions, reach out to a customer champion at support.azinsight.com.